I invested in the Proven Industries model 2517 AS high security trailer lock. It comes in 3 pieces. They're super heavy duty. It's this housing piece. This attaches to the coupler and the lock itself. First things first, pop this in here. Next thing, you take the housing, pop your chains in there. That way someone can't bypass the coupler and just tow it away with your chain. All right, slide it in. It's wobbly, that's okay. We're gonna put this lock on. Slide it up. Slide it. There you go. That's a wrap! Take 5!